Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your brand registry and that your seller or vendor account already has brand analytics enabled. Once logged into Seller Central, navigate to the Brand Analytics dashboard. This is where you'll pull reports. Make sure you have at least 30 days of sales data and a prepared ASIN list to query. Now click into Search Terms, set your date range, and export the raw CSV. You'll use this file for the next steps. Once you have the CSV, open it in Excel or your BI tool and create pivots for search terms, CTR, conversion rate, and by box percentage. You want to identify the top 20 search queries driving impressions and sales. Next, filter by your ASIN to see where you rank and calculate market share versus competing ASIN. Use conditional formatting to flag low-converting high-impression terms. These are opportunities for listing optimization or PPC adjustments. Make sure to save filtered views for quick weekly checks. Now act on insights. Optimize titles, bullets, images, and backend keywords for high-impression, low-conversion terms, and add a plus content where it will help. Once done, create targeted sponsored brands and sponsored products campaigns for those search queries, setting bids based on share of voice gaps. Monitor weekly, measure CTR and conversion lift. If brand analytics data is missing or delayed, check user permissions, ensure brand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.